Can I just add coolant or antifreeze or radiator fluid, whatever you want to call it, and just keep driving? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. So what I want you to understand is if you have a coolant leak and you're having to add coolant, oftentimes you'll get an air pocket in the system. So here's the danger that happens. Imagine that I grab something hot with this glove. As you can see, I'm missing a finger. I'm going to burn this finger, but the rest of my hand is still protected. Well, we have some big parts in an engine, like an engine block, a cylinder head, manifolds, all sorts of things that are dependent upon that coolant. And the problem is if we have an air pocket, we can overheat just one little part of the engine and do serious engine damage. The other problem we have is imagine that on my hand, I only have nerves in this finger, nowhere else. So if I overheat this, I won't even know it, it'll burn, but this finger is not overheating, so I won't see it. And that can happen with your gauge. So if the sending unit for your gauge is somewhere that's not overheating, you can still be doing damage to your engine even though the gauge looks okay. Bottom line is at Mercie J, if you have any coolant leaks and you're having to add coolant, radiator fluid, antifreeze, whatever you want to call it, we recommend you don't drive the car, you get it towed in, and we make sure we get it fixed right before you do engine damage. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.